In the past, you may have heard me allude to the fact that my mom used to call me Hurricane Kelly. The speed and the intensity in which I can destroy a room is probably record worthy. Basically right now my apartment looks like someone who has not like loved themselves or cleaned their house in years. That is not the case. My apartment was clean mere weeks ago, like perfect, immaculate perfection. But right now she's looking crazy. I look amazing. So basically, marauders broke into my apartment and made a big mess. Are these lies? Yes. Am I personally responsible? Yes. Are we gonna clean my apartment? Double yes. Triple yes? Quadruple yes. Yes. I want to start off by saying that this in no way, shape, or form is a normal amount of stuff. I'm fully aware, but you do know that my job requires me to try things, test things, and things are sent to me constantly. I do not throw things away that are still usable and good. I make a lot of donations. I give a lot to friends and family, and no. And I know just how truly blessed I am that I have anything at all. So let's just start there. We are going to hop back in time to 2 days ago when I started the process of cleaning my room and cleaning out my shoe closet. This is a full apartment overhaul. I haven't purged in way too long. And so for someone with my job where I get clothes, shoes, beauty products, things sent to my house on a daily basis, purging monthly is critical. I haven't done it since the spring, hence why things are a current shit show. So we are going to rewind to the day that I pulled all of my shoes out of the closet and started cleaning my room. Okay, first things first is I'm starting at the beginning of my apartment. So my shoe closet is right at the beginning of my apartment. Let's just see. Can we get down? Like, can I even walk down this hallway? Who has this many shoes? What is wrong with me? How? Oh my God. I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed. I feel ridiculous. But I haven't purged shoes pretty much like ever. So these are all the shoes that I've owned. And sorry for the echo, I'm in my hallway. These are the shoes that I've owned for like years. And I don't even know where to begin. All right, we have 3 trash bags full of shoes. Now we have more of like a normal amount of shoes. And this is the donate pile. Now we are in my very messy room. I have pulled out basically my entire closet except for the hanging dresses. So I'm purging sweatshirts. I just got rid of like a trash bag full of sweatshirts and sweaters. And here's what I'm keeping. I have this bin here, which, you know, holds things. And I'm keeping, of course, like my Shroot Farm sweatshirt, a couple of other casual ones that I like. But then dun dun dun, look at this mess of stuff that I just pulled out. So these are jeans and sweaters and things that I need to get rid of. That is like all the hung clothes. So wow, there's a lot to do. Denim has been condensed into one pile. So now instead of 700 pairs of jeans, I have, let's see, these are leather, some blue jeans with a wide leg, some non-stretchy ones, and these, yeah, so now this is like reasonable amount of jeans. We also went through the sweater pile and purged this many, giant bag full, keeping this. Okay, these are the sweaters we're keeping, adding the last one. Then it'll be time to go through dresses. Oh my God. So I thought purging my dresses would be hard, but I am being like ruthless. Like this was really stuffed. Now, like I'm creating so much space. It feels good to just get rid of so much stuff. clothes. Look how much I got rid of. Like the sweaters were overrun. The dresses were like stuffed to the gills, and look how much empty space there is. And it's actually a lot of empty hangers in here. I did so good. Things are going well. My energy level has plummeted. So there's that. You guys, just to add insult to injury, look what is happening. It is snowing. What? Why? We're back at the shoe closet. There's so much work going on here, like the actual tasks. I can't be like setting up tripods and moving it around everywhere I go. So forgive me if this video isn't perfect for you, especially if you come because you love cleaning videos. Doing the best I can, but this is the shoe closet. Progress thus far is pretty good. Still have quite a few things to put away, but we're almost there. You guys, so much progress. First of all, my room is almost done. Like nothing there, nothing on the floor. I still need to make the bed, but look, she's clear. She's free and clear. Wow, what a difference. The hallway is clear and my shoe closet is popping. Wow. Of a couple of unboxing videos, a couple of get ready with me's, and the fact that I started sitting at this table to do my makeup. I sit there in the empty spot. This side of the room, she's okay. You know, she's okay. Over here, not so much. So basically right now I'm gonna sit here with this box and try to decide what I'm keeping, what I'm donating, what Carla might want, you know. Making progress. I have been cleaning up my beauty stuff, and I just had a quick question. I was wondering if anyone else puts on every single thing that they touch when they're cleaning out their beauty products. Asking for a friend. Okay, so the table has made a lot of progress. I have a pile of clothes here. Which I'm about to film. This is some beauty stuff I'm giving away. This is some beauty stuff I'm keeping. Boxes for trash. And then this is a suitcase full of beauty stuff I'm taking to my family for Thanksgiving. I should probably take off this highly sophisticated glam for the rest of the video so you don't have to look at me like this. Bedroom closet is done. Now we're gonna purge my living room closet. This is where I keep like summer stuff. Done like a big purge of this closet already, so it's pretty much organized. This is the one where the bar broke, so I've had to get creative with hanging the stuff up. But just gonna go in, pull out a bunch of stuff, and purge. Like I pulled every single thing that I own out. That is the thing. It wasn't just like cleaning, spot cleaning, doing this a little. It was like pull everything out. Every beauty product, every article of clothes, every closet, everything. And it has just been a day. So I'll show you kind of what's happening, but my living room still looks messy, to be honest. I don't know what's happening. Clean, clean, clean. Those go away. That's my phone. We need to put the hats away, put my luggage away. This room was like piled with stuff because of coat video, dress video, haul. And then that's cleared off. That's my coffee, which she still needs. This is a leopard backpack, sister. Surprise, this is for you. She's cute. So I'm gonna put her here, actually, here, with the suitcase full of stuff for you guys. This is stuff for a haul. I'm filming this in the morning. Overall, she's almost done. Laundry's being sorted. I'm not even finished though, so to be honest, like if this were gonna be a complete like wow room reveal moment, I need a few more days. So how about we do a to be continued? Let's do that. So in next week's vlog, I will show you more of the final. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.